Evening, welcome to another YouTube video tutorial by Idani Prof Maoda. I hope you will enjoy this video. So I'm going to explain the powers of sines and cosines. So these are just some few notes that I compiled for you guys. So we have got the powers of sines and cosines. So here we can have some numbers. Say sine cube x cos squared x. We have got different cases. M and n can take any numbers, but these are usually positive real numbers, 1 2 3 up to infinity. But you won't get crazy numbers like 10 to the power 10. It's usually up to the power 5. So the first case is wherein our m is odd, like 3 odd numbers like 3 5 and 7. So when this m is odd, you have to expand it using you have to write this 3 as 2 plus 1 ndoringa chivenda nembo 3 notomba casino rokobumba 3 nga 2 na 1. So yeah, we split this into sine squared times sine x. So after that you have to use the following identity. Then now the second case is wherein n is odd. So for example, we're given cos to the power 5. So once you have something like that, you have to split 5 into 5 if another 4 plus 1. So this is cos to the power 4 sine x. So use that particular identity. The third case is wherein both m and n are even. So if you find that particular instance, you have to use the following identity. So you need to know this. You're not gonna be given this on your na addendum or if you mean yes, addendum, yes, or formula sheet. So let's get to the first problem, which is number 13a. So number 13a, we are given that sine squared x cos cubed x dx. So this is, if you look at those conditions that I was talking about, this is the second condition, because we can see that cos is raised to an odd number, which is 3. 3 is an odd number. So 3 requestions are 2 na 1. So we can split this and write it as sine squared x cos squared x cos x. So after that we have to apply an identity. So an identity that will apply is 1 minus sine squared x cos x. From there you need to multiply by cos x. Sorry, I forgot the x. Just adjust my camera. So from there, this is as you multiply by sine x and this together, sine squared cos x minus sine to the power 4x cos x dx. From there you need to distribute the integral sign. So if you distribute, this is sine squared x cos x dx minus sine to the power 4x cos x dx. Guys, I note that you need to make for yourself. I even wrote it there. I said sine squared x is the same as sine x to the power 2. This is the same thing. So we're going to have sine x all squared cos x minus sine dx minus sine x to the power 4 cos x dx. From there we're going to use u substitution. We're going to perform a u substitution. So we're going to let u equal to sine x. So our du is cos x dx. Then we replace. So that's u squared du minus u to the power 4 du u to the power 3 over 3. This is simple, guys. Simple and straightforward. Free max. Free mask. Free mask. Max. Yeah, the confusion between mask and max. So after that, this is sin x. You replace. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you on the next video.